your friends, girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my NY girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their
Take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more.
Welcome back to my hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today we're doing a very a very different video. So today we're doing like a, as you said, like reset. Like we're in a new month, you know. I'm about to clean my room, organize, do all that stuff. Because when I tell you my room is a mess, it's a mess. Like I'm even ashamed to even show y'all right now. But I got a bunch of clothes I need to fold. I have to clean off this chunky bed. Like y'all, my room is horrendous, and that's mainly because I don't know, I just be sleep all day. Like y'all see where I'm at? That's why I be my little plug right here. I put my phone on charger and I goes to sleep. But why the other day my brother was like, that's a hazard. Like, no, my mama said that. She was like, what if it catches on fire or something? I've had that since we moved in here. Like, you know, I don't want to test my luck. I don't want to test my luck because, you know, anything can happen. But we've been living here for almost a year now, and I slept with that on my bed every single day we lived here. But I'm about to go ahead and start. It's currently almost 2 o'clock. Oh, shoot. It's almost 2 o'clock. And yeah, I want to go ahead and get started. I'm gonna have to take a little break because I'm supposed to go to the DMV later. But till then, we can go ahead and start, y'all. I'm scared because this room is a mess. Like, and when I start something, like if I don't finish it, then I just feel bad. So like I need to finish it. Period. So let's go get started. Period. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment. You don't really have to comment, but make sure you subscribe because yeah, I'm gonna try to come up with more videos as back to school season starts coming in. Period. So let's go ahead and get started because all this sitting down, I'm gonna end up changing my mind. See y'all in a minute. I decided to start with my dresser because my dresser is bad, but it's not like to the point where I'm not doing this. So low key it is bad, but let me show y'all. This is how my dresser looks. I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, I'm back in the bed. But listen, listen. It's only because, so, like, right when I started cleaning, like, when y'all saw me putting up my stuff, Mama texted me and was like, oh, come on. So I'm like, okay. And so I'm like, okay. And so we went, right? We was there for 2 hours, and then they go on. So Mama had 2 cars, right? And when she got rid of the other one, I don't know what they did. It's something they didn't do. So they didn't take the insurance thing off. So they're claiming that Mama don't have insurance, which she does. But it's like, I can't describe it for her. It's just, they're trying to say she don't have insurance, but she do. So she has to wait to call the people to get that situated because she signed the title over to something. I forgot. I wasn't paying too much attention. After they said I couldn't get the pictures taken today, I was just like, I'm done. I don't want to talk. Because I went to do my permit test with a driving school. And then once I'm supposed to get the results and take that to the DMV. I couldn't do it. So, we have to wait. It's only 30 days. The results are only valid for 30 days, and 30 days are almost up. Like, I've been telling Mom we need to go, and she's just, hold on. Now, time basically up. But whatever, if I have to redo the test, I mean, that's no biggie, whatever. But, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get back up, start cleaning. I'm gonna put on some music. Cause Uncle Cap, I started getting tired, so I need to put some music to. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So, it's some portrait thing, but this is clean to the best it's gonna get, to be honest. Over here is not that bad. Kind of like my skincare and hygiene stuff. And then my clothes are pretty much good. I do have some stuff I need to hang up because those clothes over there, and then stuff I need to pick up on this floor, and then I'm gonna go ahead to I'm gonna start my bed now because it's not horrible.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You my heart, this can't be your first time. We my heart, this the first time. Can't feel some things that I've been at. You got that shit on somebody but love for the one Friday. Some things that I think that I can find. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just let it alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it.
Me, your mama thought that we were gonna last. I thought it too. Words to love with me. Alexa, pause. Okay, so y'all, I cleaned this area, whatever that. Period. That goes. That has to go. The sheet that's on the floor, I have to go in the closet. Organize the teddy bears and everything. This little area was a hot mess, but. That corner, it looks messy, but it's really not. It's just my purses and my books. And then, so this area is done. That mug has to go downstairs. So after I vacuum the floor, that rug is going on the floor, but I have to vacuum. And stuff that's over there, I don't touch that. Anyways, so the bed, those are my underwears and socks I have to sort out so I can put them up. And then a few things on my bed that either goes over there or in there. And then, yeah, after that, I just have to vacuum, and then I'm done. Well, make up my bed. But, yeah. Alexa, play. To know, break your heart and send me, that's what I'ma do. To know, so long, so long. So baby, so long, so long. Taking a break because I'm tired. So baby, so long. Alexa, pause. So, bed is made. Over here, shoulder over here. Period. But I'm still not done. I still gotta vacuum. But, anyways, I gotta hang some of my purses back up because, yeah, my wall is looking bland. So, I'm gonna hang some of them back up real quick. I'll be back. What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Let me stop, y'all. But anyways, for real, let me show y'all this room so I can go ahead and shower because I'm tired. So we're gonna start from over here. So over here, yup, period. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. So this whole bathroom, makeup.
Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all over on this side.
What that little thing is, you put like your, like I don't have a hamper, a dirty clothes hamper, so, oh well. That's the end. Hold on, let me go to this mirror. Look at my squeaky floor. That's the end of this video. Yes, that's my little reset, clean up with me, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. I would have made this video like a whole reset, like everything shower, but I'm not gonna cap. I don't think I'm gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna just take me a regular shower because everything showers. It's a workout for real. So not tonight, because let me tell you, so I went to Zaxby's, right? I got me a 5-piece wing meal, traditional hot honey mustard ranch. But anyways, I asked for root beer. This is like, I think it's Dr. Pepper. I mean, I drunk it, but I'm definitely gonna have heartburn because anytime I drink dark soda, except for root beer though, it's like I drink Pepsi, Coke, Dr. Pepper, Dr. Pibb, all those like give me heartburn. I mean, I don't know if I said Dr. Pepper or root beer earlier, but root beer is the only one that doesn't give me heartburn. But other ones, heartburn, and I always end up breaking out. Like, I don't know, I don't question it, but I barely drink soda as is. Like, root beer is the only soda you'll see me drinking, or occasionally a Sprite. But water, Snapple, root beer. Love me a good Snapple now. But anyway, y'all, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.